A giant python had tightly trapped a young lion cub while the mother lion desperately tried to save her baby. She searched for the perfect chance to step in, but the quick-moving snake forced her back every time. After a short standoff, another lion arrived to help. The two lions attacked from different sides, trying to distract the python. Even so, the snake still had control of the situation. Because the cub was still caught in its coils, the adult lions could not risk using their full strength. As time passed, the python began to lose energy while trying to defend itself against both lions. Still, it refused to let go of the cub. Soon, two more lions joined the rescue. Now surrounded from 4 directions, the python had less and less room to escape. The snake continued to tighten around the cub, leaving the little lion weak and exhausted. The cub could barely move and only managed a few small struggles as its cries became softer. Finally, another lion entered the scene. 5 lions now surrounded the giant python completely. Under great pressure, the snake made one final effort to hold on. At that moment, the lions worked together and managed to force the python to release the cub. The snake quickly retreated, trying to escape from the pride. One lioness chased after the python, while the other stayed close to the cub to keep it safe. The lioness cornered the snake, and the two faced each other cautiously. Soon, the rest of the pride arrived and surrounded the python once again. Seizing the right moment, the lions worked together and finally overpowered the giant snake.